You watch my video, but you don't like, share, and subscribe it. What's the matter, people? It's a free. See, these are the subscribable button over there. Like it, share it, subscribe it. Okay, hi, my name is Yogesh Joshi and you are watching Indian Paper 24/7. I've made a lot of videos on EDC, Get Home Bag, Bug Out Bag, Go Bag, and in all packages, big, small, micro, mini, pouch, etc. But I realized one thing: I never make a survival kit in stainless steel water bottle. Yes, stainless steel water bottle, just like this. Is a dry, you said, survival kit, which fit each and every in my EDC bag. For example, see, this is my EDC bag. Perfect. My another sling bag, I already have made a video on this. Is very good bag. See the I button over there. I just put link over there. And sling bag is also fit very perfect. See. So actually I try and error a lot of bottles. Some are very small, some are very large, some are not fit in my EDC bag, and some are not fit in my Go bag. So this bottle is a perfect for each and every pouch and bags. Basically is a stainless steel, is a D-Mart. D-Mart is just like a Walmart of India. It's very cheap. I spend near about $1.50 on it. $5 you get 3 for $5, something like that. And add some stainless steel cup. This belly shape, why I use it, I will explain in main video. And I put some whistle over it. So it's totally dry. There is no water in it, and I put my all survival gear in this stainless steel pouch. So stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. So I will show you my survival water bottle kit. Is a survival, so the woolen blanket is for background. So let's start from outside to inside. Here external I put a whistle, so in emergency I can give signal. Is very loud. And this cup, stainless steel cup, I already told why this, because I put some 10-foot cartridge in it. So it's very still heavy duty. Now from upper there is a small compartment over here, that is straw. Here I put one tag lace, that I-card lace. So in case of SST or something, I can use as a bottle. I can hang this bottle. Yeah. So this small lace, and let me open the lid. First of all, I put one shower cap, is a shower cap for covering my head in case of rain. Is a very I take it from my hotel room. Small folding knife with this ring, so you can use as a karambit or something. My tea bag is a herbal tea. My multivitamin tablet I use as a food, some sort of food to boost up my minerals. My fixed blade knife, and there's a paracord overheat. So paracord with fixed blade, very tough. 4-5 coffee pouches. One 2 AA torch, battery torch. See, I just some loose, so accidentally if on, the battery is not running. My multi-tool. See, so I can use clip as a, if I put this thing in fire to boil a tea. So multi-tool. Some money coin. 1C lighter, combustion. Milk powder, everyday milk powder. So milk powder with coffee and plus sugar. So 1 2 3 4 5 coffee, 2 tea. There's a small tubes over here where I put 2 almond and clove and black pepper. So in case of if I have cold or sneezing, I just put in my tea or coffee, or in hot water I just put these 2 things and it will clear my sinus or something. And last but not least, my boo-boo kit. Ibuprofen, pentacid, some oil, prep pad and some sewing kit. So from this I can at least survive for maybe more than 24 hours. Here I don't include any food. So basically is nothing but a get home bag or go bag, some sort of setup in water bottle containment. And if I put in fire over this, so is good lead, plus I can drink from it. So thanks for watching. This is my all items in canteen survival. Bye.